Welcome back to My Crazy Life, you guys. We're here at the Bird Sanctuary, the Ohio Bird Sanctuary up in Mansfield, Ohio, trying to feed these birds. Hey, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. But look how cool he looks. Here we go. We got one down here now. Don't bite my fingers. Stop biting my fingers. Eat. There you go, buddy. You can't be sitting there biting my fingers. There's rules. That's a red-winged blackbird. I'm feeding them mealworms. You guys hit the like and subscribe for a Crazy Moose. We're just having fun on my day off. Where'd that guy go? There he is. You want somebody? Come on. There we go. You guys tell me this isn't cool. Costs $5 to get in here. It's like 93 degrees right now, which is crazy. Sweating, but enjoying it.